cheerful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, hope all of you have understood the topic which we had done yesterday, that was nouns and its kinds. Today I will be taking up the same topic, means noun part only, but it's collective noun, your second chapter. I've already explained you the meaning of noun and all the types of nouns. From that, collective noun is a separate chapter, and today we are doing it. I hope all of you remember what is a noun and its types, a quick recap, and then I will start doing the chapter. Noun, I told you, the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing is called a noun. In short, everything is a noun. There are five main kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, and your abstract noun. What is proper noun? Special names given to any person, place, or things. For example, my name is Anu, your name is Rahul. Anu, Rahul. I live in Ambala, Kent. Ambala, Kent. All these words are your proper noun. I study in Cecil Convent School. Cecil Convent is a special name given to a particular school. So Cecil Convent here is your proper noun. Then second was your collective noun. Collective nouns are the nouns which are given a group, which are in a group, means any person, things, or animals with if they are standing or they are kept in one group, we give it a name. For example, a bunch of keys. When 8 to 10, 5, 6 keys are together, we term it as bunch. A bouquet of flowers. Few flowers are together, 5, 10 flowers. When we tie them together, it becomes a bouquet of flowers. When we keep 5 to 10 books on one top of the other, it becomes a pile of books or a library of books. 10 to few students are sitting in a class. When we all are sitting in a class, so we become class of students. So group of anything is known as your collective noun. Then is your common noun. Common noun is a noun which we can use for anyone, which is commonly used for any person, place, or thing. For example, if I say I am a doctor, doctor can be any doctor. I have to go to the park. Park can be any park. But when I say I have to visit Dr. Rahul, Dr. Rahul is a proper noun because it's a special name of a doctor. I have to go to Subhash Park. Subhash Park here is a proper noun because a park is given a name. So it's a proper noun. But when I say I have to go to a park, so park here is my common noun. I have to go to doctor. Doctor again here is a common noun. So when a special name is given, it's a proper noun and which can be used for anyone, that is your common noun. Now fourth kind was your material noun. Material noun is a noun with which we can make other things. For example, you can say it as raw material. Example, this chair is made up of wood. That almirah is made up of aluminium. My earrings are made up of gold. So, gold, aluminium, wood, all are these here raw material. Raw material means with which we can make other things. And last but not the least was an abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the nouns which are related to your feelings. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we can only feel it. For example, I am happy. Happiness I can feel, I can't see it, I can't touch it. He is very greedy. Greedy. Greed we can't touch, we can only feel it. So such nouns are known as your abstract nouns. Now children, let's move to our chapter, that is our collective noun. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things. Examples are here: a troop of monkeys, a class of students, a team of horses, a bunch of keys, a school of fish, a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies, pack of dogs. All these are the few examples of your collective noun. Now, children, open your books, write the date, day, and classwork here on the top, and then we will start our chapter. Collective nouns. I hope all of you have written the day classwork. Now, let's get started. Read the passage and circle the nouns which talk about group of animals together. Now here we are given a passage. I will read the passage, and in this passage there are few words which will show you that they are collective nouns. We will circle those words. Monty and his family went to the countryside for a picnic. They stopped at a farm. They saw a herd of cows. So it's your collective noun. Grazing in the field. On one side was a flock of sheep chewing straw. It was Mr. and Mrs. Law's farm. They had a big dog and a litter of puppies. Monty also saw a beehive in the backyard. His father said, "Don't go too close. The swarm of bees may bite you." The nouns you circled are all collective nouns. I hope, children, this much is clear to all. Now let's move on further. A collective noun is a collection of persons, animals, or things, as I already explained you. Now are the examples again. A fleet of ships is entering the harbor. A swarm of bees is buzzing around the flowers. The words fleet and swarm talk about the collection of things, ships and bees. They are all collective nouns. Now let us look at more examples. But before that, children, all of you right here learn. You have to learn all this. A pack of cards, album of photos, an album of photos, and why and because A is a vowel sound here. A pile of books, a heap of stones, a bouquet of flowers, a brood of chickens, a school of fish, a litter of puppies, a pride of lions, an army of soldiers. Again, an army. A is a vowel sound. A team of players, a troop of dancers, a gang of robbers, a crowd of people, a crew of sailors. Now let's do the exercise, very easy exercise, and this will make you more clear about the collective nouns. Complete the crosswords with the help of the given clues in the fill in the blanks. First, a dash of fish, a school of fish, SCHOOL, school. A dash of chickens, brood, BROOD, brood. A dash of puppies, litter, LITTER, litter. A dash of robbers, gang, GANG, gang. A dash of chips, a packet of chips. A dash of sticks, a bundle of sticks. An dash of photos, an album of photos. A dash of elephants, a herd of elephants. A dash of players, a team of players. Do this much quickly, then I will do further. Do this much. Done, beta? Shall I turn the page? Yes. Next exercise. Exercise B. Tick the correct collective nouns for the given words. First, a band of monkeys, wrong. A pile of stones, right. A group of grapes, wrong. A bouquet of musicians, wrong. A flight of stairs, right. A school of elephants, wrong. A bunch of flowers, wrong. A herd of fish, wrong. A swarm of bees, right. An army of soldiers, right. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A pack of wolves howled in the jungle. A band of singers sang at the party. A flock of sheep is crossing the road. Where did you last see the bunch of keys? Tie the bundle of sticks with the thread. A group of students is attending the quiz competition. A hive of bees is buzzing outside the window. I bought a new pair of shoes. I hope, children, all of you have done this exercise. Still, you could not understood anything in this chapter. You can ask in tomorrow's live class. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.